Video. Today I'm going to be doing some stuff to my car, 2007 model N70, rarest colour you can get. They don't make many in this colour, so pretty lucky to have one. But anyway, I'm going to be putting this roof rack on. Got this rhino rack, bought it off my neighbour, but yeah, I've pretty much done everything to this car except that ugly roof rack, which I hate, so I'm glad I finally got one of those. But I'm also going to be putting some new guards on, because I made these when I had 35s, because I had to cut them to make the 35s fit, but I'm back on 33s now, so I can get rid of those ugly things. There's bolt-on guards under there, and then I just fiberglassed and bogged it, and like some of the bogs cracking and stuff, so I want to get rid of those. Also, I'll be putting new springs in the front, so I bought these Superior suspension probably a year and a half ago, 4-inch lift, and it's sagged down to less than 2-inch lift now, and Superior reckons it's because I have a bull bar. What a joke. So I'm going to be putting Dobinson springs in it, but yeah, they wouldn't give me new ones or anything. Like, I've had them for a year. The car spent 6 months in here because I blew the engine, and it's sagged that far because I got a bull bar, but I literally ordered the ones to suit a bull bar anyway. So about Superior, I'm going to get them to put this roof rack on first. The people who had it before me obviously didn't know how to install it, because like that's the front, and then that sticker literally says rear, so I'm going to I'll probably take these off and put these on the car first, and then bolt that on exactly where I want it. I had to buy the rails for it, which I'm pretty sure I bought the wrong ones, but I don't care, I'll make it fit. Taking the solar panel and these lights and all that off. I don't have the key for these, so I don't know how I'm getting them off. I'll probably have to snap them or something. But yeah, getting into taking that solar panel off. I'm also going to sort out some of the wiring in this video too for my 12 volt system. But I've got another solar panel up there. I want to try put them both up there if I can, but I'll figure it out. These plugs undone. All the cable ties just snapped off because they were brittle as, but the solar panel, found the joint in the wires there, so I'm going to pull this heat shrink off and see if there's connectors under there, hopefully, but if not I'll just cut them and resolder them anyway. I had these weird solder connection things, so I just cut them, just undo these Allen bolts, take this off, and hopefully I can throw it up there with the other one. But I want to try bolt them underneath if I can, because I hate the look of them. Might paint them black too, don't know. Right, so all that key does is hold this front cap on so that you can undo the little bolt that pulls them together. I thought that these actually bolted through the roof, but they actually just close in on these brackets. So these are, look how sketchy these are. I don't know why people put them on their cars, to be honest. Like, one, they're sketch as, and two, they look shocking. Like, they are the ugliest looking things you could possibly do to your car. Just snap that off. Reveals a little Allen key in there that doesn't want to see, but that's how you get them off. So I'll do that to all of them and get them off, and then I'll probably give this roof a good clean before I stick that on. Put them off. That looks so bad with the tent way up there. I'll probably build a new tray on this channel too one day that suits that canopy better and brings the tent down a bit when I get time after I finish this thing. Still keen to get it done, but yeah, so I'll clean up the roof, and you got to rivet the brackets on, and then that should just go straight on. I got the gutters all clean. I'll probably clean the roof after I get these on, but yeah, they just go in there like that. You got to measure a certain distance between there and there, and then drill out all these holes and rivet them in. They're pretty nice how they fit in there, to be honest. And then for these gaps here, you just get your original piece that went on there and you just cut them and they slide in here. You'd never know that you have holes all in your roof that are going to leak water for the rest of your car's life. But nah, they shouldn't, because I've got this sticky bit on the bottom and I've got some sealant. I'm going to put a bead of sticker down both sides. See how that goes. It's in place, all taped up. That's how far away it needs to be. 210 mil. And then it tells you here to get something so your drill bit can't go further than 6 mil. So I got that all set up, and I'll just drill all those holes out, I guess.
Going on, guys.
Go on.
So I got those things on. They were a pain in the ass, but now put that on and it should be done. What do you have to say?
Get amongst it.
She's all on now. Gonna try polish out those where the old racks were. Just gotta get these rubbers in there now. Should be sweet. Hey guys. Alright, so the roof rack's all done. I still need to do these rubbers in there. I got the solar panel sitting up there. I'm gonna paint it black because I don't really like the look of it at the moment, but it should look alright once it's black. So I got the solar panel cleaned and sanded and masked up. I'm going to be painting it with some HILUX spray paint. This spray paint is the best spray paint I've ever found. It just works. It's like it doesn't like run or anything, and it just goes super flat. It's just good paint. Definitely recommend it. But the primer helps a lot too. Got the first coat of primer on. While that dries, I'm going to start doing the rubbers up here. So they give you these little plastic bits here. So you get the stock rubber and you cut it to length, fits in there, and then you get your little stock one and it just clips over and should look alright. So I've got that back one on there, and I'm going to put this front one on, but there's little clips on the HILUXes in there that are always snapped, so I'm going to put some double-sided tape and some glue and just glue those on and they should be right. That's this side completely finished. I've got some tape on there for now just to hold it down while the glue dries, because those clips are all broken. But onto the other side. Solar panels all painted up. I'm going to peel this tape off. Should be dry enough, but I'm sick of waiting for paint to dry, so I'm just going to start pulling all this masking tape off and get it on the car. Alright, so that's the roof rack and solar panel done. I got it wired back together, just got to zip tie it up. I'm going to see if one of my mates wants to polish those out for me. He does car detailing, so he should be able to do it. But yeah, I've got to wait for the guards and the suspension to come before I do that, but that'll be soon. I might even end up doing headlights too, because this one here fills up with mud. A day later, still hasn't fallen off, which is good. I was hoping it didn't fall off, but just went and copped the light bar, just a Ridge Rider one from Super Cheap. These are only like 150 bucks. Pretty good, I reckon, for what you pay, but to see how long it lasts. So I'm going to throw this on just under the roof rack there. Then I don't have to use these. I can just leave the caps on them. Cheering. That is if they were even hooked up anyway. Alright, so this turned into a bigger job than it should have. The light bar's too wide and the corners are plastic and I don't really want to be bolting it to the plastic, so I'm going to make some brackets that bolt over here and just come out and extend. I already started making them here. So there's some stainless. So this will just go bolt on like that and bring it out further. I'll probably paint them black too. Yeah. After a whole lot of stuffing around, it's finally on. I also got Conroy here to come polish out those marks that my old roof racks left. So they're all gone now. Nice and shiny. Looks way better. Forgot to film an outro, but since I'm here I'll show you guys what I'm thinking about ordering. So these are the flares I want to get, just 76mm wide to suit neg 12s I'm pretty sure, and I've got neg 12s on mine, so I'll be getting these, but they are never in stock for some reason. It's like really annoying, but I'm just waiting for them to be in stock. And then just these Dobinson 3-inch springs with 100 kilo constant loads, which should go alright. Yeah, hopefully they fit on the superior shocks, which they should. But yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in watching me put the guards and the springs and stuff in. I might do headlights as well, I'm not sure yet, but yeah, see you next time.